I used to be a Christian, and I remember how at the meetings people preached about the thief in the night. Jesus was coming soon, and you had to be prepared because it could happen at any moment. So the situation was something like this.
The end is upon us! See the signs! The earth trembles! Skies darken! Turn to God before it's too late! This is your final warning! Wake up!
So this is what I worry about. I worry about people listening to the same message today as I listen to. And hearing that these teachings are very certain. Yes, they are facts. I mean, for example, the teaching on heaven, on the resurrections, on the prophecies of the end times. For example, they would say that it's without a doubt that a particular person is the Antichrist, or that natural disaster or some war was mentioned in the Bible 2000 years ago. Also signs of the end times. But I like to be a bit honest and straightforward, so I will just say that I disagree, because
thousands of years, humans have told stories about the end of the world. Comets, eclipses, strange weather, all of it once felt like signs of something cosmic and terrifying. But today, we live in a time where we can actually look into the sky, and what we see is far less frightening than the myths. Right now, hundreds of satellites orbit Earth. They watch storms, map oceans, track climate, and beam internet across the planet. And in all that time, with all that technology, they've never spotted anything resembling a literal heaven floating above the clouds. Because the ancient idea of a physical paradise above the sky came from a time when people didn't know what the sky actually was. In 1977, two spacecraft, Voyager 1 and Voyager 2, left Earth and began a journey through the solar system. They passed Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and eventually left the solar system entirely. They didn't find a crystal dome. They didn't bump into a golden gate. They didn't detect anything resembling a physical heaven. What they did find was a vast natural universe, beautiful, ancient, and indifferent to human fears. Every day, astronauts aboard the International Space Station and China's Tiangong Station orbit Earth 16 times. They see continents, oceans, storms, and the thin blue line of our atmosphere. But they don't see a staircase to paradise. They don't see angels hovering above the clouds. They see Earth, fragile, real, and breathtaking. And then there's the James Webb Space Telescope. It can look back 13.5 billion years, almost to the beginning of time itself. It sees galaxies forming when the universe was young. It sees stars being born in clouds of dust. It sees the MOMZ 14 galaxy, the earliest ever detected. If a physical heaven existed somewhere up there, telescopes like Webb would have noticed something unusual. Instead, they reveal star nurseries in ancient galaxies, beauty shaped by physics. Why do ancient texts describe resurrections, ascensions, and paradises above the sky? Because ancient people explained the world the best way they could. This is true. But let's drop political correctness for a moment and talk honestly, mano a mano. Let's not hide our real opinions from each other. Let's just tell it like it is. Those ancients believed in delusions. They were very primitive. Yes. In a sense, they truly believed that a science fiction movie was real. When someone ascended up, they thought there was something to rise up to, but it wasn't. And this is why you don't need to fear a doomsday. Not because life is perfect, not because nothing bad ever happens, but because the universe isn't hiding a cosmic trapdoor waiting to spring. We've looked, we've measured, we've explored, and what we've found is a natural world, not a supernatural countdown. So breathe, live your life, enjoy the world we can see, the one Voyager photographed, the one Webb reveals, the one astronauts orbit every day. The universe is vast, ancient, and full of wonders. And it's not out to get you.